Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. As it was raining, I had Keema Samosa on my mind. And to be honest, I'm not good at making samosas, but I had to find a way to satisfy that craving. And that's how I found the simple method to make samosa and thought of sharing with you all. So let's get started. To make the samosa dough, take 1 cup of all-purpose flour, that is maida, and a spoon of ghee and some salt. Mix it with finger until it comes into a crumbled form. Gradually, now you will start adding some water and mix it and knead it into a dough. We have to make sure the dough is stiffer as compared to what we use to make a naan. Finally, once it's done, now let it rest for some time, that is around 10 to 15 minutes. By then, let's prepare the keema filling. For that you need 1 medium onion chopped and 2 teaspoons of chili, garlic, ginger paste. Keep a pan, add 2 tablespoons of oil and a teaspoon of ghee into it. Once it's hot, you will add the chopped onion, saute it for 2 minutes and then add the grinded paste and saute it until it turns nice golden brown. Let's add the keema and give it a light stir. Take some pudina leaves and tear it with your hands and add it to the keema. It's time to add the powder spices like the chili powder, turmeric and the garam masala. Oh, by the way, I also added some salt. Now let's give it a nice mix and let all the masalas and everything get into the keema. Now close the lid and let it cook. You can also stir it occasionally to make sure that it doesn't stick to the pan. Once the keema is done, let it cool down before using it as a filling. Now, the final stage is to assemble the dough and the keema to prepare the samosas. Let's take the rested dough and knead it for 2 to 3 minutes until the dough is stiff yet smooth. Let's roll it into a cylindrical shape, which makes it easier to cut it into equal parts. To stick the dough, I'm going to make an adhesive kind of a mixture using all-purpose flour and water. This is optional, you can also use only the water to do this job. Now let's take the rolled dough and with the help of rolling pin, stretch it into an oval shape. Trust me, it makes it easier to work with it. Cut it into half and take one part and keep it in your palm. Add a spoonful of keema filling in the middle and fold it into a shape of kite by sticking the edges and giving a final touch by locking it like an envelope. And that's ready. Continue preparing the rest of the samosa the same way. Now tell me, wasn't that simple? It's time to fry the samosas. For that, heat the oil in kadai, but do not wait to drop the samosa once it's very hot. As soon as you see those little bubbles, just drop in the samosas. You can also overcrowd the samosas and that helps in giving more cooking time which makes the samosas nice, thin, crisp, and light. Basically, it gives everything that we need to enjoy a good samosa. Once it's nice golden brown, that's when you know it's time to remove it from the oil. If you like this video, do try this recipe and let me know in the comment box how did you find it. Until then, stay safe and keep enjoying good food because I will be back with many more recipes. Bye bye, take care.